Welcome back to Raunix. This is Vedana from Raunix Tech Services, and this is our first video for the Flutter application development. In this video, we are going to discuss about the basics of the Flutter. So, let's start the video. Firstly, we will go to our Google Chrome and we will search about Flutter on Google. We will go on the first website flutter.dev and open the website, and it will look something like this. Then we will go to click on get started, and we can see here the available platform that Flutter supported: Windows, Mac OS, Linux and Chrome OS. I am a Mac OS user, so I am going to choose Mac OS. Then we can see you have set up Mac OS on desktop, iOS, Android or web, so I am going to choose iOS. And here is some basic requirement for the development of Flutter, that is CPU cores minimum 4 or 8, memory in GB 8 or 16, display resolution, free disk and something else. You can read the documents details more here. I am a Mac M1 user, so I am going to use all these things. I have already set up the Flutter environment in our Mac. Okay, so I am going to skip all those. You can download the Flutter from here like this, and it will start downloaded like this. I have already downloaded, so I am going to skip this one. And you can follow all the available documents to set up the Flutter in your environment. I am going to skip all of these because I have already set up all these in my Mac. If you are unable to set up Flutter environment in your laptop or desktop, then you can comment in the comment section. We will record a detailed video about that. So I am going to skip all these parts and I am going to create a test app. To create a test app, firstly we will go to our directory and we will create a new directory with the name Flutter Learning. Then open our Visual Code Studio and we will drop that directory in Visual Code Studio like this. Then we will use a shortcut key, that is Command Shift and P. Then we can see like a new project, or you can search for new project. Here you can see the Flutter new project. When you choose that, then it will ask which part you want to create: an application, an empty application, the skeleton application, module, package or plugin. I am going to create an application, so I will choose the application. Then it will ask you to choose a directory, so I am going to choose my directory as a Flutter Learning and select the folder. Now you can give the name of the application, so I am going to give my first application or app. You can give anything as per your requirement. When you hit enter, then it will create your Flutter application like this. You can see the Android folder, iOS folder, web folder, Windows folder and Mac OS and Linux. Everything are there. So your application is ready. Now let's run the application in simulator. I am going to use simulation device for iPhone 14 Plus. Let's choose that device. From here I can choose. Now debug the application. It will debug in a very short time in our application. I have already built a lot of application on Flutter, so here you can see I am going to uninstall all of them, so I can install a new application without getting storage full. Let's wait for some time. And here you can see our build is successful.